Good day, YouTube. This is Josh with Adventures of Acrophile coming to you today with another install on the Honda Goldwing here. Today's install is actually going to be the twin rail passenger floorboard inserts for the Goldwing. Should be fairly easy. It's actually just a plug and play. Looks like it won't require any adhesives or screws. You just got to pop them into place. So I'm thinking probably about a 10-15 minute job. But we're going to move forward to videoing the install to share that with y'all, show you how it works. Also, this item here, the twin rail passenger floorboards, will actually be in a link in the description below. Should you be interested in actually getting some, it'll take you to the website that I purchased them at, and you'll be able to check them out for yourself. So with that being said, let's go ahead and move forward into the install. All right. Well, things we're going to need to install. I actually have some soapy water here. Reason being, I can wet the rubber after these things pop off, and it'll make it easier for the stuff to slide in. Otherwise, you end up fighting with the friction of the rubber, and it doesn't like to go into place. So, first things first, gonna have to get the left side thing. So let's go ahead and open this up. And I believe that's the left side. It's gonna go over it right there. So what you do is you remove the existing one, and if you look on the back, there's a bunch of these little nipples, and they go into these assorted holes. But that's where the problem lies whenever you go to try to install. The rubber catches with friction unless you have some soapy water that you can actually wet the area with to help with the new Goldstrike floorboard that will allow it to just slip into place. So I'm going to just tip this in the water here to get it wet. And with that, all these nipples are wet. They should just start slipping into place without any issue. Everywhere there's a nipple, be sure to press down on it. Wiggle it back and forth a little bit to ensure that it has seated properly. One there that's not cooperating. There it is. There we go. Now once it's in place, once that water dries and stuff, then it'll be sealed in there pretty firm. At this point, you just take a towel and dry it off. That's side one. Now let's move to the right side. Alright, so we're now on the right side of the bike. What I'm going to do, same thing as the other side. I believe this is the right side install here. So I have to remove this existing one. If you just pull on the corner and start peeling it up, once again it pulls out, same as the other side. Wipe this down, make sure it's clean. Generously put some soapy water on the pad here. It will dry itself out, so there's no concerns there. Then with the new install, at the bottom of that wet, making sure that all the nipples are wet. That'll help with it just slipping into place. Line it up like so. And just push each section in. There we go. That's installed now. Firmly planted. It's okay to wiggle it a little bit back and forth to make sure that it has seated properly. And there you have it. The right side is now installed. All right. right, well, this concludes the install of the twin rail passenger floorboards at this time. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you're interested in actually looking at these, you can check the link in the description below, and it'll take you to the website where I purchased them, and you can check it out for yourself. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click that bell so it'll notify you in the future of any future videos that I post. If you have any comments or any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. I usually respond to comments within 24 to 48 hours of receiving them. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. I still have another install for next week. It's actually going to be the passenger armrests. So tune in next week for that, and I will see you then. For now, this is Josh with Adventures of Acrophile signing out. Y'all be safe. Peace.